This is the Ring Rechargeable Battery Pack. It is a very easy to use, very good battery that works with pretty much every single wireless Ring device, Ring security device. In order to use it, all you need to do is plug in the little USB slot right there and then plug it into pretty much anything. It'll charge in about 2 hours in my experience. And then it's good for use for up to 6 months, which is really ridiculous. I've tried some third-party ones, and I can honestly tell you after using that 6 month estimate is pretty legitimate. It can vary based on usage. So I have it for my front door camera, my doorbell camera, and that may last only like 2 or 3 months. But on a different camera that's maybe less activated based on motion, like my backyard or something like that, it has legitimately worked for about 6 months. It's very easy to use on pretty much every device. They pretty much all work the same. It'll plug in right there, and then it'll lock in place, and then it's pretty good in place there. You can attach the bottom. I won't bother doing that, but all you'll have to do is press down on this little push thing right here, and it'll come right on out. It works with the doorbell camera, the stick-up camera, pretty much every single wireless Ring device. So a great thing is that you can just swap them out. You can really just have one extra battery charging and then be able to switch it out whenever one thing in your home dies and just start the charging process kind of seamlessly. So overall, it's been a great product. I've really liked it from my experience. I hope that this was helpful for anybody, and best of luck.